This video will be discussing how to define and configure scheduling calendars on EPS. Scheduling calendars can be set up on the project settings under the calendars page. There are two types of calendars available: the scheduling calendars and the reporting calendars. A scheduling calendar is used to define the working time for tasks, resources, and destinations that the calendar is assigned to. In other words, the scheduling calendars are applied to the project and are used to set up the standard working hours for each day of the week, the holidays or non-working periods such as public holidays and shutdown periods, as well as exception work days which have different working hours to the standard days set by default. To define a new scheduling calendar, you click on the new icon on the scheduling calendars options and provide a name for the calendar. On the setup page, there is a legend here which is associated with the month displayed here. The white color means that this is the default 24-hour working day. The gray color is used for non-work periods, while the yellow color refers to days which have edited working hours, that is, days that are not 24 hours. You can simply select a day and click on the non-work button to convert the specific day to a non-work day. You will see the color changing from white to gray on the setup page. Also, you can click on a day to modify the total working hours and you will see the color changing from white to yellow and the number of hours on the day changing here. These changes made on the general page will reflect on the holidays or exception page and vice versa. You can easily select a specific day and make it a non-working day throughout the scheduling calendar. For example, if your mine is not operational on Sundays, you can click on the Sunday label and click on the non-work button. You will see now that all Sundays are non-work days. You can follow the same procedure to modify the total working hours for a specific day of the week. You can quickly generate your calendar by clicking on this Generate button. This allows you to do more complex calendar setups, such as changing the total working hours for every second week, on a Tuesday and a Thursday, or every other month if you wish. Moving on, reporting calendars are used to configure user-defined time periods to produce reports. Reporting calendars are referenced in the timescale, and all crosstab information is reported based on the specific time periods. You can use the Downtime Codes page to define downtime codes that can be used when setting up scheduling calendars. Detailed downtime is used specifically when defining a scheduling calendar using downtime rather than work time. In this case, I will create a downtime code for safety meeting. I will go back to the scheduling calendars to apply this downtime code. I will do that by selecting the appropriate scheduling calendar, go to the detailed downtime page to set up the downtime. I will say that, for example, we have a meeting every Wednesday from 6 in the morning to 8 in the morning. The category of this meeting will be the safety meeting defined in the downtime codes. Now I'm going to right-click on my Gantt chart area, go to the Gantt chart option, then to the non-work periods and activate the option to interrupt my tasks during all non-work periods and also to highlight all non-work periods on my Gantt chart area. You will see now that every Wednesday I have the safety meeting displayed on my Gantt chart area. I can double-click on any resource available to apply a specific calendar. I can also apply an extraction calendar to any stockpiles that have been defined on the destinations page.